Hey everybody, this is just a quick tutorial on how to use Edpuzzles. So, for example, here on a Tuesday I have assigned an Edpuzzle. It says Alfred Wagner, Great Minds, Edpuzzle. So it says watch the Edpuzzle and complete the questions. Reminder, answers can be found in the videos. A link to the Edpuzzle can be found in a separate posting in Google Classroom. So if I go to a Google Classroom page, and if I go to the streaming section, I should see everything here that has been posted. And so here I can see an Edpuzzle. I can see another Edpuzzle right here. So this is how you find the Edpuzzles in Google Classroom. You just have to look. So if I look, I would be looking for one that says Alfred Wagner Great Minds Edpuzzle. Now I haven't assigned this one, so you're not going to find it, but you found some of the other ones. Now it says a link can be found in Google Classroom, so make sure you go there. There is no hyperlinks here. Now you notice it also says watch the video, answer the questions, and the answers are in the video. So for feedback, this one only has 4 questions. We do expect you to get a 4 or 3. What happens if you get a 2 or 1? Or a 0? Well, it's not good. That's why it says nice effort, or it says that you probably missed some of the video. But you should have spent more time looking for the answers. So make sure you're focused on this. Make sure that you're reviewing the video and rewatching if you need to get the answers. Because during the remote learning time, we're not going to be resetting the Edpuzzles, because it's hard to manage that with 100 and so students or more from home. So it's not as easy as me automatically resetting it all the time like we are in the classroom. So make sure you watch the videos, make sure you take your time, and there are going to be no resets. If you have any other questions about Edpuzzles, please ask.